Good evening and welcome to this quick workout for simple stretches for a bedtime routine. These exercises are going to release tension from your body and help you get a great night's sleep. This can be done in your bed or on a mat on the floor, which is a great opportunity to introduce you to what I'm sitting on called the PhysioBoard, developed by a physical therapist for those who couldn't do the exercises on the floor. So it's meant to be put on a mattress. So I'm working out on my mattress today. Has a great rigid bottom with a soft top, easy on the joints. More about the board after this workout. So if you're sitting in bed, you can have your legs dangling off or your feet on the floor. And if you're on a mat on the floor, legs can start extended or in a crisscross position. So whatever you're comfortable with. Starting in a seated position, we're going to take a deep breath. As we inhale, shoulders come up. Try reaching towards the ears. On our exhale, we relax and drop the shoulders all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale. Press the shoulders down, really releasing any tension. Pushing the shoulders down to relax. Inhale up. Exhale down. 2 more. Continue to keep those shoulders relaxed. We're going to take arm out to the side and then tuck it back behind our body. We're sitting up nice and tall. Top of the arm is flush against your lower back. Open up from that shoulder, feeling a great stretch in front of the shoulder. And then from here, we take the left ear towards the left shoulder. Head is heavy, relax into it. Again, deep breath in. Hold for 1 more breath. Lift the head, relax the arm, other side. We tuck it back behind. Right ear to right shoulder. 3 deep breaths here. Last cleansing breath in and out. Release the arm. We're going to come into our hands and knees in a cat-cow position. We won't be here for long. Hands are underneath the shoulders and knees are underneath our hips. Dropping the shoulders down and back, we lift the chin and send the hips to the back. And then we tuck the chin, belly button to the spine, and round the back up. This should feel wonderful after a long day. Inhale. Exhale as we round up. Introduce a little bit more motion or movement if that's comfortable for you. Kind of rocking back as we arch up. So just 2 more times here. Well done. We're going to make our way onto our tummies. Again, we won't be here for long. Opening up the hips. Our hands are going to be underneath our shoulders. One leg is straight, and we're going to take the other leg out at about a 90-degree angle. Feeling a beautiful opener for that hip flexor. And if you're able to, if you want to intensify, we can just press up through the hands and come into like a little mini cobra here. And come back down. Inhale. Exhale, push up. Again, just as far as you are comfortable with. 1 more time. And let's switch sides. Gently bring that leg back in and take the other leg out. Totally normal if you find that one side is tighter or looser than the other. Here we go. We gently press up and come back down. Make sure you're not twisting to the side. Glue both hip bones into the ground. And last time. Lengthen both legs again. Push up one more time, coming back onto our heels into a child's pose. If your knees can't bend all the way back, you can do a puppy pose, leaving your tailbone in the air. If not, come all the way down. Rest your forehead on your mat or bed. And then release the arms down at the sides, palms up. Deep breaths here, letting go of all the stress of the day. If you like, you can turn your neck to the side, again getting a great neck stretch. And then other side. Come back to center, one more deep breath. And exhale, we're gonna roll back up. Next, we're gonna come to a position where our legs are gonna be up against a wall or your headboard. So we're gonna scooch our bums close as we can get. We lie down and then simply take the legs again up the wall or headboard for a nice hamstring stretch. Reducing that blood flow to the legs. Find a comfortable position here. The pillow is fine to support your head. And then while we're here, lift one leg, take some gentle ankle circles. And reverse that direction. Other side. And reverse. Both legs back on the wall. 2 more deep breaths in. And out. One more time in. And out. This is a great position to come to any time of the day to calm yourself. All right, let's bend your knees and bring the knees into your chest and then rock and roll around. You can stay here or make your way back to the middle of your bed or mattress. And again, a rock and roll here, releasing any tension in that lower back. Release one leg all the way down to the floor, holding onto your other knee. We're simply going to pass that knee back and forth. So have it cross the midline of your body, feeling a great stretch in the outside of the hip. And then the opposite, open it up to the side. And one more time. Back to center, and then bring your other leg up, foot on the mat. We're going to take that same leg, cross it above the knee. Pick up that bottom foot, grasping behind your thigh if you can reach. And again, gently hug in into a figure 4 stretch. Nice deep breath in. exhale. Keep this position, but drop that foot to the floor. Legs come to the side, or arms come to the side for support. We gently drop again the hips or the foot towards the floor. Come through center and the other side. So that bottom foot stays on the mat. And we're taking those knees side to side. This should feel really nice on your hips and your lower back. One more time. And again, allowing your body to go where it naturally will. It's good to stretch, but you don't want to push. We come back to center, and let's switch sides. So extend the leg long, and we hug in our other knee. Start by crossing midline of the body, and then open up. Pass to the outside. The last time. We come back to center, and again bring the other leg, foot on the floor, cross above the knee. Grabbing underneath the thighs, pick up that bottom foot and hug in. Nice deep breath here. Breathe into that tightness to help it relax. We drop the bottom foot, arms come back to our sides, and swivel the hips side to side. It's okay if you only go a few inches, or you might go as far that your foot hits the floor and that same knee hits the floor. Everyone's going to be different based on your flexibility. Give yourself some grace. Last time to the outside. And twist over. Back to center. Uncross the knee one more time. Hug those knees in. We inhale. And exhale. Let's lengthen our legs back down. If you're in bed, now's a good time to get under those covers. And we're going to finish here with our arms long at our sides. Go ahead and allow the hips and the feet to open up. And I'm going to leave you here to get lost in your thoughts or clear your mind for a great night's sleep. Continue to take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. Good night and sleep tight. Allow me to tell you a little bit about this brilliant piece of equipment, the PhysioBoard. Many exercises are just better lying down. I know I have many viewers who are not comfortable doing mat workouts. PhysioBoard is a perfect solution for when you can't get down on the floor to exercise. It can be used on top of any mattress. The board is easy to handle and has a firm bottom layer and a soft top layer, providing the perfect cushion for your joints. I personally love the removable and washable top layer and the fact that it's made in the USA. With PhysioBoard, you can be comfortable and confident doing your exercises with proper support and alignment. It's both light and sturdy. Senior Chief viewers receive $50 off. You can find the link to order in the pinned comment below or in the description box. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Your body will thank you.